I'm going to change this and make this into a cube. We just got done in the last video doing a square. What if I change that to a cube? Well, if it's a square, I refer to this parent function. If this is cubic, then I'm refer to this set of data, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is identify what type of parent function are we working with. This is cubic now. So I'm going to come and I'm going to write down what we have. -2, -8, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 8. Okay, are you ready? So let's look at this. I always start with what is the translation in terms of what are we moving, left, right, up, or down. This is a horizontal shift to the right 2 because it lies to us, and down 4. Right 2 and down 4. I've taken care of it. Any value that's directly in front gets multiplied by the what? Tell your partner. X or Y's? Y's, by the Y's. So 2 times -8 is -16. 2, 0, 2, and 16. These are my ordered pairs. You may be asking yourself, well, why didn't we multiply by the X, anything by the X's? Because we didn't have to factor anything out inside. So from this point, I'm going to go down 2 and down 16. Okay, that's way off the graph, but you get the idea. I'm going to go down, or left 1 and down 2. Left 1, down 2. Here's 0, 0. Right 1, up 2. And then right 2, up 16. Again, that's going to be way off the graph here, but it's looking like this. And so how are we going to do this? You ready? So I'm going to start again with how do I graph? Well, I start by any of that translation. So I'm going to go to it's a cubic function, so I'm going to use this basic ordered pairs taken from here. How do I know it's cubic? Right here. Okay, it's degree 3. I'm going to shift to the left 1 and up 2. Left 1 and up 2. Okay, I've taken care of those. Now this is directly in front of the parent function. It's going to be multiplied by the y's. So half of -8 is -4. That means -8 times 1/2 is -4. Half of -1 is -1/2. 0 times 1/2 is 0. 1/2 and 4. So when I graph this, from this point, I would go left 2 and down 4. Left 2, down 4. Left 1, down 1/2. Here's my 0, 0. Right 1, up 1/2. And right 2, up 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is recognize that we're at degree 3, so it's cubic. So I'm going to write down, and you're welcome to take scratch paper from me if you need it. So I'm going to write down the basic ordered pairs. And then I can see, I've got a negative in front of the x. So I need to rewrite this. When I rewrite this, it's going to be, I'm factoring out that negative, and I ask myself, negative times what is -x, and negative times what is a +3. And then I always like to go back to make sure I did it right. So that's -x, good, and +3. Okay, I'm feeling good about that. Now this portion says I'm going to move to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my starting point. What do I do next? Your partner, you have 5 seconds. What do I do next? Anything directly in front that you factored out gets multiplied by the x's. So negative, this is like a -1 times -2 is +2. -1 times -1 is positive. 0 times anything is 0. Negative times 1, negative times 2. This is my ordered pairs from here. This is my 0, 0. I'm going to go right 2 and down 8. Right 2 and down 8. I'm going to go right 1 and down 1. Left 1 and up 1. And left 2 and up 8.